Affiliate marketing thrives on high-quality reviews, comparisons, and landing pages, and AI now makes this process incredibly fast. Instead of spending hours researching, writing, and formatting each review, AI can generate polished content in minutes. Review and comparison posts consistently rank well on Google and convert at high rates because buyers are already close to making a purchase. When paired with YouTube videos, TikTok reviews, and optimized landing pages, your affiliate links become even more powerful. AI helps you build an entire ecosystem of content that educates the user, answers questions, and directs them to the product you're promoting. This leads to higher click-through rates and more consistent commissions. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can create dozens of high-performing review assets every month. The first step is accurate research, and AI makes this fast and thorough. You can instruct AI to analyze product features, strengths, weaknesses, competitor differences, customer feedback, and real-world use cases. AI can read reviews from multiple platforms, summarize common compliments and criticisms, and extract insights that customers care about most. This includes durability, pricing, ease of use, performance, or customer service quality. AI can also generate comparison tables showing side-by-side advantages between multiple products, saving you hours of manual work. The key is to identify unique selling propositions, what makes product A better than product B, and build your content around these insights. AI-powered research gives your reviews authority and detail your audience will appreciate. Once research is complete, AI can write your entire review or comparison post using proven structures. Ask AI to generate long-form reviews with sections like overview, features, pricing, pros and cons, alternatives, and final verdict. You can also create roundup posts like best AI tools for creators or top 10 budget fitness apps. These rank extremely well on search engines and convert buyers quickly. AI can draft multiple versions of the same content, a blog article, a YouTube script, a TikTok script, and even carousel posts for Instagram. It keeps tone, accuracy, and structure consistent across all formats. For readers who want quick answers, AI can add short bullet summaries or comparison charts. This multi-format system helps you publish more content, dominate your niche, and maximize affiliate revenue. Landing pages significantly boost your affiliate conversions because they warm up the buyer before they click your link. With AI, you can generate benefit-driven headlines, sub-headlines, and call to actions in seconds. AI can also write sections like why this product, who it's for, key features, and best use cases. Add comparison tables, pros, cons lists, and summarize testimonials to strengthen credibility. Visuals matter, so use AI to generate product images, mock-ups, or themed graphics that match your branding. Most people view landing pages on mobile, so keep your layout clean, scannable, and optimized for small screens. AI can create multiple variations of your landing page copy to help you A/B test which version converts best. With this setup, even small amounts of traffic can produce consistent affiliate income. After your reviews and landing pages are ready, AI helps automate your growth strategy. AI SEO tools can generate optimized meta descriptions, titles, and keyword lists to help your content rank. AI can also create internal links between related articles on your site, boosting your topical authority. Next, convert each review into multiple formats: YouTube scripts, TikTok short reviews, Pinterest pins, Instagram carousels, and newsletter content. This multiplies your visibility across all channels. AI-generated social captions and CTAs help bring even more clicks to your affiliate pages. Over time, you build traffic loops. Blog posts drive YouTube viewers, videos drive newsletter signups, and all channels push readers back to your landing pages. With this system, affiliate income becomes predictable and automated.